In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a rule in Outlook. Managing your email effectively is crucial, and sometimes that means cleaning up or removing rules that no longer serve you. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, you need to head over to the Microsoft Outlook website. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign in right on the main page. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're logging into the correct one, the one where the rule you wish to delete is set up. Enter your email, then your email and password, and hit the next button to proceed. After you've signed in, you'll be directed to your Outlook dashboard. This is where all the magic happens in managing your emails. Once you're on the dashboard, turn your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see the settings icon, which looks like a little gear. Clicking on this icon will open a menu with various options tailored to help you configure your Outlook experience. Within this menu, look for the option labeled Mail. This is where you can manage all settings related to your email. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a variety of options. We're interested in the section that's focused on rules. So next, click on Rules. This section is specifically designed to help you automate the handling of incoming messages. But for now, our goal is to remove unwanted ones. In this Rules section, you will see a list of all the rules that are currently set up in your account. They might be filtering your emails, moving them to different folders, or categorizing them automatically. To delete a rule, look to the right side of any rule you wish to remove. Here, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down, and one of the options you'll see is Delete. Selecting this will remove the rule entirely from your settings, and that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully deleted a rule in your Outlook account. This process is quick and easy, but vital for keeping your email organized and relevant to your needs. If you ever find that a rule is hindering your email flow rather than helping it, simply return to this section and make the necessary changes. Keep in mind that streamlining your email can enhance your productivity by allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips on optimizing your online tools.